Struggling to land high-paying jobs after BCom? You are not alone. But there's a way to stand out, and it starts here. Are you tired of feeling stuck in a sea of commerce graduates? Or worried about how AI might replace your job? Here's the good news. AI isn't just taking over, it's creating opportunities for those with the right skills. And today, I'm here to show you the top 3 certifications that will make you AI ready and supercharge your salary. The challenge in today's world is that the job market has changed. Recruiters aren't just looking for degrees, they want specialized skills. AI and automation are rewriting the rules of the game, making traditional roles less relevant. The answer? Certifications. They don't just add credibility, they give you the cutting-edge tools to thrive in an AI-driven world. Let us look at 3 such certifications that can boost your resume and allow you to work hand-in-hand with AI. 1. Certified Public Accountant, CPA. CPAs are more crucial than ever as AI tools like SAP automate tasks. They bridge the gap by auditing these systems and advising on strategy. Cost: 3 lakhs rupees to 3 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Salary: 6 lakhs rupees to 12 lakhs rupees per year. 2. Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. AI-driven trading tools are powerful but need human expertise to guide them. CFAs skilled in AI become indispensable in fintech. Cost: 3 lakhs rupees to 4 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Salary: 10 lakhs rupees to 20 lakhs rupees per year. 3. Digital Marketing Certification. In marketing, AI personalizes ads and analyzes data. Certified professionals can leverage AI to drive engagement. Cost: 30,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. Salary: 4 lakhs rupees to 10 lakhs rupees per year. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's transforming them. Industries like finance, marketing, and project management are hungry for professionals who can work with AI tools. For example, let's look at Rohan's success story. This is Rohan. Just 2 years ago, he was unsure of his next step after B.com. Today, he's a CPA now earning 15 lakhs rupees per year, specializing in AI-driven compliance systems. His secret? Certification. Invest in your future today. These certifications could be your ticket to a 6-figure salary and a thriving career in an AI-powered world. Like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Which certification are you interested in? Let us know in the comments.